How to use Chatgpt without plagiarizing. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can use Chatgpt without plagiarizing. First thing you need to do is to understand the basics of plagiarism. Once you have done that, simply don't copy all the answer that Chatgpt gave you. You need to review it and revise it on your own, or you can use a website that will revise it. It is better that you add your personal insights to make it unique. Next, use proper citation styles based on the type of information. Also, you can utilize a plagiarism detection tools. After you finish writing it and revising it, go to a plagiarism checker website like Grammarly and paste it and check if it is plagiarized or unique. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.